أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
قل أندعو من دون الله ما لا ينفعنا ولا يضرنا ونرد على أعقابنا بعد إذ هدانا الله كالذي استهوته الشياطين في الأرض حيران له أصحاب يدعونه إلى الهدى ائتنا قل إن هدى الله هو الهدى وأمرنا لنسلم لرب العالمين.
Say, shall we invoke besides Allah something that can neither benefit us nor harm us, and turn back on our heels after Allah has guided us, like someone seduced by the devils and confused on earth, who has friends calling him to guidance? Come to us. Say, the guidance of Allah is the guidance, and we are commanded to surrender to the Lord of the universe.
وأن أقيموا الصلاة واتقوه وهو الذي إليه تحشرون.
And to perform the prayers, and to revere Him, it is to Him that you will be gathered.
وهو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق ويوم يقول كن فيكون قوله الحق وله الملك يوم ينفخ في الصور عالم الغيب والشهادة وهو الحكيم الخبير.
It is He who created the heavens and the earth in truth. On the day when He says, be, it will be. His saying is the truth, and His is the sovereignty on the day when the trumpet is blown, the knower of secrets and declarations. He is the wise, the expert,